Hello. So good to connect with you today. And today I'm speaking about Egyptian Sekhem, just wanting to share some of my perspective around Egyptian Sekhem. So for me, I was introduced to Egyptian Sekhem when I lived in Northern Ireland, and there was this wonderful little town called Hollywood, not like the Hollywood, but yes, it was just this, it had a beautiful feeling there, and it just felt, I often wanted to travel through there and just experience it, the vibration of it. And there was this little shop on this corner in this beautiful old building. And I used to often pop in there because they kept books, the type of books I would like to read, and music, CDs and cards and crystals. And they had flyers, and I kept on looking at this one flyer about Egyptian Sekhem. I was very drawn to it, but I was also a bit apprehensive as I didn't know what it was. And eventually, on about the fourth journey there, I took the flyer and walked up to the woman who was at the front or behind the desk and asked her if she knew anything about this particular course. And it was Christine who was to become my tutor in Egyptian Sekhem. And so I signed up for level 1, and it took me a while to kind of work through the different levels. And each time I felt this strength and the power of this vibration growing more and more. With each attunement, it's like tapping into this great big well that just builds and builds within yourself, inside yourself. Now, Egyptian Sekhem for me is something that can be used as a personal development tool. There was so much change that came through working in this field and also or working with this vibration. And also I noticed in the students that were there with me, the growth in their lives and the change in their lives. So I can highly recommend this, not only as a modality, but also as a form of personal development, if that is your thing. And I believe it's powerful enough to really shift some major things in your life. I also feel that this loving vibration, because it's just this all loving feeling from this incredible work. And I believe that this just enhances your life in so many ways. So there is no time or space difference with Egyptian Sekhem. Everything is now in the moment and all present and ever present. So you have access to huge transformation in the moment. And yeah, so I would love to share with you, if you are interested in participating in something like this, please contact me and we can take this further, or contact me to see me about having a session. And if you have any questions, I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to chatting further. Bye now.